Hi. I'm sorry I didn't post yesterday. There's been a lot going on. So I think that it says a lot when our young men are killing other children. What do you suppose that that's about? You know, to me, on one hand, it seems like a natural extension. If we are going to consider half the human population inferior, as in women, if we are going to consider many other, I don't know the statistical numbers, but other races, other spiritual beliefs, if we are going to consider these less than, and we accept things about half of the population, that they don't have rights to their bodies, grab them by the pussy. If all of this is good and okay, isn't it just natural? If young men are being taught to take what they want, and that this is a sign of God's approval, that you are able to take what you want, then what is the difference of taking a life? Do you think that's an easy line for a young man who's pumped full of hormones and dealing with the world we've left them? Do you think that's an easy line for them to discern? I think we need to take some really long, hard looks at what messages we've been giving our children and our young men. Maybe you guys have other ideas. This is just how I see it when I trace it backwards. But, you know, again, we go back to our practice, and our practice is to sit peacefully in nature and connect. So let's do that. Sorry, everybody.